Who will rule the Eastern Conference? Game 3 could go a long way to giving us our answer.
Rising to the challenge are the Carolina Hurricanes and the Columbus Blue Jackets. Played up into the attacking zone. For the wrist shot, blocked. Werenski with the puck. Werenski, wrist shot. Jenner gives it up.
Line 3, get up there.
Savard advances the puck. Centers it. Dubinsky with a wrist shot. Moved ahead. Wilczek knocks the puck loose. Murray gobbles it up.
Line 4.
The Hurricanes dump it in. Columbus scooped it up. Wilczek hits Lutikvara. Anderson. Martineau takes control of the puck. Net shots. McGinn has it now. The Hurricanes dump it. Scooped up by Columbus.
Line 2.
Netchas shoots quickly. Korpisalo stones him. Netchas jumps on the loose puck. Blocked. Wenberg with the puck. Dezingle. Dubois. Columbus has it now. They dump it in. Carolina finds it. Gardiner now with it. Carolina in control now. Fogle grabs it. Carolina takes control. Shoots it. Korpisalo denied him. Williams gets hold of the puck. One-times it. Hits the post. Lutikvara jumps on the loose puck. The Blue Jackets dump it in. Fogle with it now. Ahead to the neutral zone. Quick pass up. Passed ahead. Delayed penalty call for Carolina. Advances the puck. Jenner takes possession of the puck. Williams will get the gate for roughing.
Take a look at the replay. Far too much contact that time. Does he deserve the penalty? You bet.
Columbus could make some noise now.
Playing on the power play gives them a few more options. Look for them to play very aggressive.
Aho gets hold of the puck. Dubinsky. Foligno dumped it in. Carolina takes possession. Columbus puts its number 2 power play unit out. Atkinson passed across. Reimer gets the stick on it.
When you combine superior anticipation with reactions like that, you'll make the save 9 out of 10 times.
Gavrikov. Quick shot. Atkinson scores!
Great goal on the backhand. That's not easy.
Many say the backhand is the toughest save in hockey. The goalie has no clue where it's going, and many times neither does the shooter. Across, out over the blue line. Moved up.
Number 13.
Williams dumps the puck in.
Number 40.
Columbus grabbed it. Dubois.
Number 17. Brandon Dubinsky.
Fogle takes over. Pattinen crushes Wenberg. Played up. In over the line. Williams gets checked. He takes possession of the puck. He gets crushed. Advances the puck. Out over the blue line. This shot. Reimer turns him away.
What a save off the block.
Gardiner scoops up the loose puck. A delayed penalty call against Columbus. Jenner jumps on the loose puck. Foligno gets called for holding.
He held him up and the official got him for it. Now his team will have to do without his services.
Carolina will be looking to exert some offensive pressure.
This is their chance to quiet this crowd down.
Moved ahead. That's offside. Dubinsky pushes Jordan Staal. Out of their defensive end. Svechnikov. Wenberg knocks him off the puck. Carolina gobbles it up. Werenski has it. The Blue Jackets clear it safely out. Slavin gets a hold of it. Through the neutral zone. Last one! Big glove!
What a beautiful stop on that shot. A solid save.
Over the blue line. Nash with a wrist shot. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Backhands it. Korpisalo gets the wood on it. Shea takes control of the puck. Korpisalo gives it away. Carolina picks it up. Shot quickly. Dubois gets in the way. Gardiner with the puck. Slavin scores!
They had a plan for the power play, they stuck to it, and they get the goal. The goalie was able to make the first stop, but nothing was going to deny that second attempt.
Columbus has their work cut out for them.
The key here is timing. Allowing a goal this close to the end of the period can really swing the momentum.
Delayed penalty coming up. Williams grabs the puck. Korpisalo slams the door shut. Savard will serve time for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. The faceoff goes to Carolina. Backhanded shot. Gavrikov stops the shot. Passed across. Pass back. Slavin shoots quickly. Korpisalo stabbed at it. Werenski. Delayed penalty call coming up for Carolina. Svechnikov will go to the box for interference.
There's the contact, and the puck is nowhere in sight.
If he can't focus, he's going to be spending more time sitting on the sidelines. Short pass. Up along the boards. Werenski knocks the puck loose. Grabbed by Carolina. Nutifara. Columbus finds it. Jenner dumps it. He has it now.
Line 4. Line 3.
Savard exits the penalty box, meaning his team now has a 5-on-4 advantage. Atkinson takes control of the puck. Niederreiter gets checked. Trocheck takes possession of the puck. Nash. Taken by Columbus. Niederreiter gets in the way. Columbus puts its third line out.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Shore with the puck. Svechnikov shoots it. Korpisalo gets a pad on it. Gavrikov takes control of the puck.
That ends the first period. Both teams have a lot to think about during the intermission.
Player features and more.
Jim, that was a close first period. Let's hope things open up here in the second.
At this point, each team is aware of the other's weaknesses. Stahl wins the draw. Centered. Moved up. Offside. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The Blue Jackets stump the puck in. Stahl gets the pass from Reimer. Teravainen grabs the puck. Svechnikov. Teravainen. He scooped it up.
Line 2.
Korpisalo hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Dubinsky is a face-off king.
One of the best, no doubt about it. He's got great anticipation.
And they get called for icing. The puck is about to be dropped. Trocheck won the face-off. Shoots it quickly. Foligno stops the shot. He takes it back. Passed ahead. Reimer, great save.
A shot like that doesn't stand a chance.
Moved ahead. Atkinson skewers Pesci. Foligno brings it out. Fogel. Werenski finds the loose puck. Trocheck pitchforks Savard. Gardiner takes possession of the puck. The Hurricanes dump it. Columbus has it. Wawrinski gets hammered. Moved up. Columbus puts its third line out. Dzingel grabs the puck. Over the blue line. He's got a breakaway. Svechnikov with the puck. He gets shoved.
That was a good hit.
Shoots the puck. Reimer stoned him. Gardiner gets rocked. Svechnikov takes control of the puck. Hard one-timer. Reimer hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Blue Jackets. Fogel jumps on the loose puck. Trocheck jumped on by Carolina. Nash, rink-wide pass, advances the puck. Murray with the puck. Pesci. Fogel takes control. Bjorkstrand. Nash grabbed it. Columbus has it now. Wrist shot turned aside by Reimer.
What a save off the blocker.
Out over the blue line. Passed ahead. Korpisalo intercepts the puck. Columbus takes it. Anderson.
Line 2.
Dubinsky gets the shot off. Scores! You've got to love seeing plays like that come together.
You bet. And when you can connect on a one-timer, it's a thing of beauty.
John Anderson, assisted by number 17, Brandon Dubinsky.
Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Dzingel scoops up.
Scores! When you score like that, it can really give your team a boost. Great goal.
A one-timer in hockey is like a penalty kick in soccer. The goalie just has to guess where it's going.
Yeah, and he guessed wrong on that one.
A tie game midway through the second.
Now both teams need to figure out whether to gamble for the lead or wait for a break.
Played across.
Number 18,
Backhand. Reimer shut the door.
Perfect pad save.
Intercepted in the neutral zone. Teravainen gets hold of the puck. Teravainen. Corralled by Columbus. Into the attacking zone. Shore with a wrist shot. Advances the puck. Korpisalo gets the wood on it. Vatanen finds the loose puck. The Hurricanes dump it in. Williams gobbles it up. Vatanen. Pesci. He jumps on it. Fired it hard. Korpisalo closes the door. Pesci has the puck. Picked up by Carolina. Korpisalo closed the door. Korpisalo freezes the puck. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Niederreiter with it now. Niederreiter. Carolina takes over. He has his pocket picked. Out over the blue line. Brings it in. Breakaway. Columbus needs to be making a line change soon. Gardiner is going to the box for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
The ref is ready to drop the puck.
penalty to
Gavrikov. Wrist shot. Reimer gets a leg on it.
Pad save.
Murray. Texier gets the loose puck. Aho gets checked.
An aggressive play that time.
Gavrikov scoops up the loose puck over the blue line. Rips a shot. Saved by Reimer. Aho gets pushed off the puck. Scooped up by Columbus. Korpisalo. Jenner picked it up. Savard. Backhand shot. Carolina jumps on it. Aho.
last minute of play in the second period.
He dumps it in. Carolina got it. Korpisalo. Stone. Morenski has put the puck into his own net.
Hockey players have nightmares about scoring on their own goal. They need to shake this off right away. Get back out there and go on the offensive.
The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes.
Defended by number 20, Sebastian.
The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Carolina finds it. Brings it out. Centers it. Played up.
Reimer gets a pad on it. Nice effort to make the save.
Murray jumps on the loose puck. And the second period draws to a close. Columbus needs to take more shots if they want to get back in this game.
There may be better plays than just putting it on net, but it's never a bad thing to try.
Welcome back for the third period.
It's time to turn up the pressure. In a game this close, you want to try to rattle your opponent.
We're ready for the faceoff. Dubinsky wins the draw. Gardiner has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man. Atkinson blocked. Aho takes control of the puck. Tervainen with a breakaway. Shoots the puck. He hits the post. Aho nails Savard. Foligno with the puck. Nyquist. Winberg scooped it up. Vogel blocks Gavrikov. Gavrikov grabs the puck. Carolina puts its second line out. Ahead to the neutral zone. Vogel, he gets hold of the puck. Dubois. Up along the boards. Move back. Dubois finds the loose puck. Columbus puts its scoring line out. Quick pass up. Dzingel shoves Winberg. Centers it. In over the line. Aho gets checked. Svechnikov gets the loose puck. Aho, backhanded shot. Korpisalo made the save. One-time shot, blocked. Savard takes control of the puck. Jenner dumps it in the end boards. Carolina scoops it up. Tatsier. Anderson, the ref indicates a delayed call. Trocheck will serve time for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
Shea jumps on the loose puck. Atkinson whips it. Reimer denied him. Out over the blue line. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Taken by Columbus. Brings it out. Pesci with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Played up. Pesci. Fires! Pesci scores! How often do you see goals like that?
Not nearly enough, Jim. Not nearly enough. I don't know what the problem was, but it ended up in their own net. Not exactly the way you like to see your power play perform.
Passed across.
Handed by number 22.
Murray knocks him off the puck.
Number 76.
Columbus grabbed it. Jenner
By number 11.
out of their defensive end advances the puck. With a wrist shot, the door is shut by Reimer.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Gavrikov takes control of the puck. Gavrikov, wrist shot. Pesci corrals it. Aho gets checked.
He did a beautiful job of stepping into his man.
Gavrikov scoops up the loose puck. Jordan Stahl now has it. Carolina gets a hold of it. Trocheck is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Quick pass up, pass ahead. Along the boards, Atkinson.
Reimer gets a pad on it. He had to use his entire body that time, but he got the save.
Advances the puck. Carolina dumps the puck in. Grabbed by Columbus. Nyquist, delayed call against Carolina. He dumps the puck in. Svechnikov gets called for hooking. The action's about to start. The face-off goes to the Blue Jackets. Gets the shot on. Werenski.
2 minutes for hooking.
Offside, Columbus. Carolina has had a firm grip on the face-offs.
When you control the face-offs, you control the first few seconds of action. That can make a big difference.
Slavin. Gavrikov with the puck. Out over the blue line. Sanderson. Aho pushes Anderson. Blocked. Aho takes control of the puck. Teravainen gets shoved. Out over the blue line. Played up. Anderson with a wrist shot. Moved up. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Murray picks it up. Werenski. He grabbed it. Cannonading drive. Shea. Stahl jumps on the loose puck. Dubinsky runs over Shea. Savard finds the loose puck. In over the line. Up along the boards. Svechnikov heads back onto the ice and is looking to do some damage.
Well, he might feel that the penalty wasn't merited, but I've got some advice. Playing a great game is the best revenge.
Reimer hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. Quick pass up. Dubois. He gets pushed.
He'll get back in the play.
Winberg grabs the puck. In the corner, Nyquist. Reimer turns him away.
What a save off the blocker.
Dubois with the puck. Svechnikov. Jordan Stahl corrals it. Columbus has it now. Dzingel. Columbus scooped it up. Saved by Reimer. Reimer freezes the puck. Carolina has won most of the draws so far.
And that's had a big impact on their play. We've seen it again and again in this game.
Reimer hangs on for the whistle. Carolina is taking advantage of face-off situations.
Now this has helped them control the tempo. The results on the scoreboard speak for themselves.
Aho, wrist shot. Werenski gets in the way. Played up. Foligno takes possession of the puck. Aho levels Atkinson.
That shook him up.
Savard finds the loose puck. Pesci offside. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Murray.
Last minute of play in the third period.
McGinn. Bjorkstrand pushes him. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. McGinn gobbles it up. Fires it. Blocked. Bjorkstrand scoops up the loose puck. Nash. Reimer gets the stick on it.
Close, but not close enough. The goalie made a great save.
Moved ahead. McGinn. Bjorkstrand shoves him. Ahead to the neutral zone. Quick pass up. In the corner. Shoots the puck. Murray with a wrist shot. Blocked. Passed ahead. Wrist shot. Blocked. Stone cold by Korpisalo. Korpisalo freezes the puck. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Lucic won the face-off. Holy, this one's over now. Carolina has won and taken a 3-game lead in the series.
They only need one more win, then it's on to the next round.
Tonight's third star, Carolina number 22, Brett Pesci. Tonight's second star for Carolina number 47, James Reimer.
From Columbus, Ohio, I'm Jim Houston.
I'm Craig Simpson, and this has been a presentation of EA Sports.